Today, we're gonna do an anti-aging lifting routine that will lift the skin and reduce the wrinkles. Let's start. For the first move, pinch and release the skin from both sides at the same time along the jawline with 2 fingers. Move from the chin to the ears and repeat this for 40 seconds. Place your hands on the bottom of your neck, lift your chin up a little, and then press your tongue towards your palate. Then release. Repeat this move for 40 seconds. Lift your chin up, purse your lips, and blow kisses to the sky. Repeat this for 40 seconds. Stretch your cheeks to the sides with your fingers and smile. Repeat this for 40 seconds. Place your index fingers under your cheekbones. Stretch the skin under the fingers, then open and close your mouth. Repeat this for 40 seconds. Keep your mouth closed and blow your cheeks, then push your cheeks slightly up with your fists. Hold for 40 seconds. Place your hands on your face, then push your cheeks upwards. Repeat doing this for 40 seconds. Place your index fingers next to your nose. Slide your fingers on your cheekbones upwards to the sides of your eyes and on the temples to stretch the skin upwards. Don't go too near to the under eye area, as this area has a sensitive skin and it might wrinkle. Keep doing this slowly for 40 seconds. Put your hands on your head, lift the forehead slightly up, then try to lift your eyebrows up. Keep doing this for 40 seconds. This was it for today's routine. See you in next video.